Most retail options traders lose money for just two reasons. They jump into trades they haven't fully researched, or they have the right market view, but choose the wrong options strategy. OptionSense solves both. OptionSense is an options research platform built for retail traders. It sits between "I heard about this stock" and "I'm placing this trade." When you log in, you land on a dashboard that shows what actually matters right now: active setups, price action, cheap options, unusual options activity, and more. Click into any section, and you're taken to a screener where you can filter stocks further. Already have a stock in mind? Search it. For example, NVIDIA. OptionSense shows the stock outlook based on over 60 signals, including trend, momentum, and volatility. You can expand any signal to see the exact indicators, what they mean, and what to do, explained in plain English. Not sure what to trade? Go to Today's Ideas to see trade ideas backed by real signal alignment. Click an idea. Review the rationale. Open it in the Strategy Builder. Here you see the risk metrics, Greeks, and payoff, so as you understand the risk before placing the trade. You can run what-if analysis to see how price or volatility changes impact profitability. If you already have a view, say you're bullish on Apple, Symbol Ideas recommends strategies that fit your criteria. Click View Full Analysis to review the strategy in detail. You can explore the options chain, select different option legs, and compare how volatility or time to expiration affects the trades. OptionSense gives you a disciplined way to think before you trade. No predictions, no tips, just better decisions. Visit OptionSense on desktop or mobile and try it free for a limited time.